welcome to Cindy in LA. Today I came for Lululemon event which starts 11 a.m. If you bring old leggings like non-Lululemon brand leggings, you can swap with the new Lululemon leggings, which is good deal. So I thought it's okay to come like 10:30, 30 minutes early, and be in line, and I'm gonna get free one leggings from Lululemon. But then I realized people come from 6 a.m. and they already got some like wristband to swap leggings. So yeah, I was like trying to be in line, and some security guards saying, yeah, it's all done for the day, so come tomorrow like 6 a.m. Seems like they just opened new branch in Central City, Westfield Mall, so they wanted to throw event to bring people. I don't think I'm gonna come like 6 a.m. tomorrow, but I just heard there is in Beverly Hills Rodeo Drive. There used to be right next to Rodeo Drive, there is a Wilshire Boulevard branch, which was also clean and good, but they grand open Beverly Hills Rodeo Drive branch finally. So let's check it out together.
So now I'm in Beverly Hills, and there's a new Chanel boutique open, as you can see right there. I love the building design, it's very modern style. So when you go from Rodeo side, there's a front door, but they let you in from the back side. So I'm gonna walk around to the back side of the building. So backside of the building, there's a mini garden in the middle of the building. So pretty. When you enter the boutique, there's a beautiful centerpiece hanging from ceiling. Now let's check second floor. First thing you see is shoe section. So I'm gonna check shoe section first. So you can walk around through this hallway connected to the other section, and you can see the garden side as well. There's a natural light everywhere. This Mary Jane shoes is very interesting. There are 3 lengths. From ankle to knee length, the main body part is made of calfskin, and from ankle, it's made of net. I like the ankle length. I like this spring-summer collection mini flat bag. I like this seasonal bag. It comes in black and white. I love diamond quilting pattern on this ballet flat. It comes in ivory, light blue, beige. I believe there might be black as well. Typical classic style Mary Jane shoes. This Mary Jane shoes is a little bit unique style, but it's easy to put on these shoes because there's a zipper at the back. There's a high heel version of flat Mary Jane shoes. I love this sling bag because the front part is pump style, so it's very sturdy. Love this flat sling bag, very classic style. There's a heel variation, so you can choose high heel version as well. There are different materials as well. This tweed is so pretty. Check other materials as well. I like Chanel's daddy sandals, but this one is like too much things going on. Also, there's a variation of material like lambskin, calfskin, and velvet, and tweed. This cotton tweed daddy sandal is so cute. Actually, there's a kid skin, which is goat skin, and also denim material as well. I love this pink thong sandal. There's a beige color as well. The Chanel CC logo in the middle is so pretty. I couldn't find this loafer from homepage, but I love this classic style. I have similar Chanel logo slide. Love the vibrant color. Now let's check back section. There were many white color, pink color, and beige tone color bags. Oh my gosh, there were Chanel small classic bag in white color, in caviar. So I tried on to wear. So pretty. This one is a light gray color in lambskin. So many classic bags like eye candies. There were small size and medium size classic bag in black. Love this pastel tone yellow. How about this caramel color and green color? Bandeau with the Chanel logo. Love this glove in lambskin. So pretty. What do you think about this blue color? It's perfect for spring, but I would like to get a little bit lighter color. Like this light yellow color. It's perfect for spring, summer. Love this mini heart-shaped minodier, perfect for evening bag. It's made of metal and 3 different kinds of shape and material. This bag looks like it's made of raffia, but it's actually tweed. I love this square shape, small vanity case. There's a lambskin and tweed. I like this structured rectangular shape, small shopping bag. Love this wallet-on chain. See the heart-shaped buckle. This shopping bag is not made of raffia, it looks like, but it's actually tweed. There is a black and white. I'm not a big fan of patent bag, but I like the shape of this shopping bag. Love this heart-shaped clutch bag with chain. The classic card holder is $500 currently. There are so many pastel tone color, so pretty. You can see many bags in white, pink, and beige. I feel like this tweed bag can be like for picnic. Very summery. There's a coin purse in heart shape. Love the pastel tone yellow color. I couldn't find exact same color, but the classic wallet-on chain is around $3,000. Love this Chanel 19 card holder in light yellow. Wish to have this full set in black color. So pretty. I love this dotted calfskin camisole. You can match with any denim pants. There's a black and white color. When you come down to first floor, there is a bag section, small leather goods, and beauty section as well. The service in Rodeo Drive branch was really good, and they've provided like coffee and water if you want. After window shopping, me and my friend went to a hotel in Beverly Hills. This is a rooftop pool area of Mayborn Hotel. If you come to Beverly Hills area, try this place. You can order some pool bar menu even though you don't stay in this hotel. We got burger and quesadilla. The burger was really good. Hope you enjoyed my video today and see you soon. Bye!